I was just asking about this truck because it got wrecked. One of the cleanest trucks I've ever seen in my entire life. And it was wrecked at Smoky Mountain, and they rebuilt it for Sema. I'm super happy to see this one back. I definitely didn't think we really ever see this truck again. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're leaving for Vegas for 10 days and I'm going to be daily vlogging the entire experience. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We just hit 100,000 subscribers and I'm more than blessed and grateful to be here living my dreams, and it's all because of you guys. And I've got something super cool we're debuting while we're in Vegas, so make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. I have to pack and get to the airport because I've been procrastinating all day, and I'll see you guys when we get to Vegas. Let's get this bread.
Saying goodbye to the boat time. I got diamonds doing to see slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine, she tattooed that ass.
We've been here for 5 minutes. I'm trying to go eat at the Chick-fil-A and they want to go eat at the MGM. Oh. Boys done officially touched down in Vegas. We're going to the MGM for dinner tonight. From Texas. What's happening? I ain't mad at it, starting the trip off at the MGM. No, KG1's paying for dinner for sure. Nah, I'm paying for dinner. We lost our car. Eric, let me rephrase that. Eric lost our car. Our rental is somewhere in the MGM Grand parking garage area. We don't know where. I don't know how we misplaced the only Hellcat in the whole place. We found it. A whole shopping cart with wheels. You know well there ain't gonna be no drinks in the Airbnb, so we gotta load up real quick. Yeah, fine. Couple red, couple blue. Swag. What are we doing? Look. Oh, hold on. I'm saying. Hey man, say man. Oh, hell no.
This is some Scarface, man. Hopefully this is it.
Ross.
Hell no. What you doing, boy?
Yeah, right next to the Ross. Who picked this place? Bro, I have the worst luck with Airbnb.
Andy, bro.
I want to check the place out before I start taking all my stuff in.
Did you bring the beer or not? It was inside.
Bro, Halloween was yesterday.
I'm leaving the fucking thing, bro.
I'm scared.
Nah, I put it inside. You sure?
It fell because he made that hard turn.
It's no driving like that. Oh.
Bro, we are in the wrong side of town.
First things first.
I can't even see it. It's Dos Equis for those of you. I can't see.
Cold box. First things first.
First things first. Bro, what are you doing over there? This is how we get into the... Halloween was yesterday. I'm scared, bro. Imagine somebody knocks back.
I think Eric would be a horrible, like, home intruder, bro. Oh, okay.
This ain't a bad little spot. Turn some lights on.
Cakes.
So me and you sharing a bed, or? Look at this couch, bro. Oh, no. There's definitely been some weird shit going on this couch, for sure. Uh-oh, the swimming pool? So I walked down the street to the Starbucks this morning, which is like 150 yards down the street from the Airbnb we're staying at. I didn't think the door would lock, so I'm locked outside now. Wherever the front door is, I'm locked outside now. And I'm enjoying my everything bagel with cream cheese and my drink from Starbucks while I'm waiting for everybody to wake up because the time change. So that's something they don't tell you about Vegas, is the time difference will fuck you up. Absolutely wreck you. It will humble you fast.
and it does it to me every single time.
When we showed up last night, the vibe back here was super like sketch, but during the day it's really nice. You got the pool, got a little sitting area back there, a little sitting area on this side. I didn't even notice this over here, a little palm tree action. This is the most like California, Vegas like area that I've ever felt in my entire life. We figured out how to get the lights on last night too, which is super cool. We gotta go pick some stuff up and head to the show. Today's a big setup day for the show. Today is Saturday before the show that starts on Tuesday. And I wanna kind of take this time and tell y'all something that I've been kind of going back and forth about that I really haven't decided whether or not I'm gonna do, but I want your input. Oh, look at this. Well, this is fancy right here. I need y'all to tell me whether or not, I've got a bunch of people around me that tell me I need to start a podcast again. And I keep trying to convince myself not to do it. But I feel like I've hit 100,000 and I need to try new things. I need to branch out and allow myself to do other things. So I need y'all to drop some comments and let me know if I should stop doubting myself and go ahead and start the Bread Gang podcast, or should I just let the idea die, you know what I mean? I need y'all to let me know in the comments, so. And I'm gonna have to change shirts, but I want to show love to Jordan one time because I've been wearing Jordan. Shout out Jordan Seal, Jordan 6.0, Instagram and YouTube. Been wearing his shirt out here. And I was probably just gonna, I wore it yesterday, I'm not gonna lie to you, I might wear it again today just to have it in the video. But y'all go show some love to Jordan and OBS Austin for the merch. No way I had to sweet talk that lady into letting us get into the show right now. Told her I owe her one. What does that mean? What does that mean? It's so weird to see this place not set up because this place is gonna be a shit show later. I don't even know where we're supposed to go. I think it's crossing the bridge. Ooh, I like that truck over there, I'm not gonna lie. Army Green. Well, KG1's in the South Hall over here. Fury is outside Central, which is here. I don't know where they're expecting us to go though. Should be somewhere over here. You guys need to watch the other videos later on the channel that come after this in the daily vlog series of Vegas, because this whole place is gonna be filled. It's all gonna be organized and filled and organized chaos. None of that was there last year. I'll see KG1 on the train up there. That's dope. I was just asking about this truck because it got wrecked at Smoky Mountain and it is fixed for Sema. My favorite trucks of the show last year is back. All gold engraved JTXs, 28s on 38s, full frame off with the frame overlays all the way around. Everything on this truck is either either gold or red, and I am here for it. The round body Duramax, the exhaust, front rear axles, 4-link front and rear, inside, outside, lips, spokes, everything. Big 10-lug floaters. One of the cleanest trucks I've ever seen in my entire life, and it was wrecked at Smoky Mountain, and they rebuilt it for Sema. I'm gonna drop a picture that they posted on Instagram for you guys to see that. It's a little bit of a clickbait for you guys today, but they really did wreck it, and it really did get fixed, and it is back at Sema this year. So great way to start the show week, to see something cool like this get rebuilt and back at the show this year. Nothing left untouched on this truck. Absolutely beautiful. One of my favorites of the show last year, and definitely because of the red and the gold together, going to be one of my favorites of the show this year as well. Super happy to see this one back. I definitely didn't think we really ever see this truck again, but it is back at Sema 2024. Let's get this bread, baby. Yo, yo, yo.
What up, fam?
I got that on deck,
You always got that deck.
That's for me, though. Get your hands out of that.
Now, bro.
Get your hands out of that. Ain't playing no games with you.
So you're gonna come up here and not sharing?
I try and take a break in between setting up to show you guys cool stuff that I see around the show while we're setting up. Again, I've said it for years, and I'm going to continue to say it, that load-in days, if you guys have the opportunity, are the best days. Load-in and tear-down days are the best days for content, because there's literally nobody here. There's no spectators. 90% of the vehicles that are supposed to be in the show aren't here, so you get an exclusive look and just your own personal time to walk around and film stuff, just like this Gladiator behind me. Huge, all pink / purple Gladiator on the ride lift kit. 30s and 44s with 30x16 Victors are an absolutely beautiful cuts. One of my favorite cuts with the floating center caps, color matched as well. You've got the windows and inside barrel all pink / purple to match on the Fury 44s. Rightfully so, it's right next to the Fury booth and it's got the KG1s and Furies on it. Absolutely love it. Not a big Gladiator or Jeep fan, but I love the way that this looks. There's a Gladiator on 30s, the big orange or the big yellow one that was at Jeep Invasion with me and Jason. I absolutely love the way that one looks. If you do them right, Gladiators and Jeeps can definitely look good, but the 30s and 44s on this Gladiator, definitely a sweet addition to have next to the Fury booth. Speaking of which, yeah, buddy. Love that. Love to see that. Love to see that. The part that I didn't realize about this, we show up and the booth's not built. Somebody's got to build the booth. There is no team to build the booth. We are the team to build the booth. And I didn't know that until we showed up. And we've got, me and Eric and Corey are, you know. Have you ever built something like this?
Some.
You ever built something like this? Legos? Yeah, Legos is the closest I've been to everything that's about to go down right here. Y'all trust Alex to put something like this together? Drop in the comments if you think Alex is qualified enough for this.
Alright, Alex, you should descend.
Update for you guys. We've spent the last, 5 hours working on this?
We're building stuff.
You guys are gonna get to see the finished product in a couple of days on the channel, and you guys will never understand how much of a pain in the ass it has been to put this together. You guys will never understand. We've probably put 5 or 6 hours into this, and this is what we've come up with. This one little half of a corner. It's gonna take us all day tomorrow to finish as well. We'll be here bright and early at 7, 8 o'clock, and then we'll stay till 8 tomorrow. They make us go home at 8 tonight, so we're only gonna have 6, 7, 8 hours into this. And then we'll have a full day tomorrow. So you guys won't see the finished product for another video, but just so you guys can see what kind of progress we've at least made today.
All right, what's going on, guys? I've got Eric over here.
What's good?
Got Corey.
What up?
You know, you already know me. It's that wide bow tie, thick edition. Day 1.5 of Vegas. Was out in the sun all day, so you know your boy's a little tanner today than normal, but we're gonna fix that. What did we just pick up, Eric?
Stickers.
Stickers.
I don't know. Actually, I don't even know what the fuck.
we don't know. We're gonna check in with you tomorrow. Bye.
Drop the camera.
No, I'm not dropping it. All right, boys.
All right.
Day 1.5. We're stopping at Chick-fil-A right quick.
Mcdonough, bro.
It's Chick-fil-A.
Can't see.
What we getting from Chick-fil-A, dog?
Probably not chicken.
Probably not chicken. We're gonna get the Krabby Patty meal.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's, so you'll be using a rewards app?
No.
Okay, what can I get started for you?
We should find the guy with no pants on. Alright, bro.
Alright, what did we just witness, bro?
Well, one guy walking down the street with his pants down to his waist, and another lady over there giving a nice foot massage to this gentleman in the parking lot. He looked like he's enjoying it too.
Anything for a 10-piece nugget, I guess.
What was your order again?
The McDouble with McChicken?
This is not Chick-fil-A, guys.
I feel so uncomfortable right now, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No worries, brother. What you gotta say to the people, Corey? Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. There you go, bud. There you go. See, we're teaching them. We're teaching them slowly.
All right, may not look like much, but we did spend the last 6 to 8 hours, and we did make some headway today. We really did, but you guys are gonna have to come back tomorrow if you guys want to see most of the booth get set up. 90% of the time we spent trying to figure out how the hell to put this thing together. And the vision is there. The vision is cool. It's gonna be really, really cool when it's done.
We're just not finished yet, unfortunately. So make sure you guys come check out the booth tomorrow or in the next video. Take a little look outside before we leave. See if there's anything cool. We got a little any level lift dually sitting over here. I ain't mad at that. Thing's clean. I like the color on that truck a lot. I love Vegas at night. All the big buildings. It's motivating. Any cool trucks out here tonight? That's Mariah's new truck.
That's pretty bad.
I like that a lot. Couple horn blasters.
You ladies need a ride?
Nick.
Bro, look who it is though. When did you get here?
I spawned.
Spawned in the cut. I feel like there's a lot more trucks down on this end of the show this year than there was last year. Like they've moved everything down this way.
Yeah,
there's a lot more trucks down here instead of being on the other end. I'm sniping today. Look who it is. I did, yeah. I filmed it earlier. I'm gonna come back and film that pink dually because I really like the dually. And this is my favorite body style Duramax right here, 1000%. Shout out the True Horsepower. We've been pumping out some clean builds. They did this one, they did the pink dually that's back there that we saw earlier. And they did a third gen that's back there. The truck can't see because the lights are real bright. Bro, the white Duramax with the bulletproof, fire. I'm hitting my PJ vibes today, fire. Absolutely fire. Look, with the bed stack. So we're gonna come back tomorrow during the day. We're gonna film some of these, show you guys the Duramax, show you guys the white Duramax, any level lift. You got another white Duramax team billet over there. You got the black Duramax on KG1s here in the center, and then you've got some other Duramaxes down on the end. I'm gonna show you that black one's really nice. That was pulling in with the red lift kit, the third gen that's down there. Bunch of cool. We're gonna come back tomorrow. So if you guys wanna see these builds in the daytime, make sure you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned for the video tomorrow. We're gonna come back and see the pink dually as well. I love that pink 4th gen. That's absolutely beautiful. It might be a 5th gen, beautiful. And this white Luma duty with the KG1s on it's clean too. And there's a bunch of stuff that way to see as well. So if you guys wanna see the whole show, make sure you guys just run through the playlist. There'll be a full playlist of every video throughout the week. We're doing 7-8 videos daily, vlogging the experience this week. So make sure you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe. A lot going on. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm tired as hell, but it's worth it. Let's get this bread. We're going to get tacos. We're going to get tacos. Let's go. Let's go. Where are we going to eat tonight? I love all the lights, bro. Really do. Like, bro, what kind of tacos are we getting tonight, man?
Chicken.
Chicken? Just chicken? But we got to get one of each, man. I need one of them Eric meat tacos.
What is it? Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Brother. Brother. What time? Cut. I had to make sure I spelled that right.
It wouldn't be a That Wide Bowtie vlog without a 2-minute restaurant review. So we're gonna check out some tacos tonight, bro. I'm so excited. We out here on the strip in Vegas. Bro, the line in this place is wild. It might move quick. Was Andy and them coming?
Yeah.
I don't know what she's talking about. No. I don't know what she was talking about.
Casting a spell, dog. She was casting a spell.
Lady was casting a spell on me in the parking lot. That's so messed up. Bro, this place is crazy. We waited like probably 30 minutes.
What is that?
I don't even know what this is. Ooh, it's so hot.
It looks delicious.
It's steak, guac, some kind of salsa, and cilantro. And it's so hot, bro. Ow!
Well, I don't want to wait a minute before you burn your mouth in, though.
Yeah.
He eats it anyways.
How was that?
Worth the wait. I was scared the salsa was gonna be like super hot, and it's not terrible, but that was really good. If you're in Vegas, you gotta come try this for sure.
Where are we at though?
Raising Cane's.
I don't know.
Taco Bell.
Tacos El Gordo, I think is what it is. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
Zoom in on